sewer issues, they are the worst. So how do you know what to look for and who you should call when you need some help? Well, I want you to meet Jay Kline of Penguin Air Plumbing and Electrical with the most common drain and sewer issues here in Arizona.
Yes.
And he has some great tips on what you can do about it. Hey, welcome back to Sonoran Living.
Hey, thanks for having me.
I am so excited. So first of all, I know, right? I mean, you don't realize how important your drains are until something happens, right?
Yes, until one's backing up and dumping water out of the sink or out of the toilet or something like that. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. So the first thing we do is reach for stuff, you know, especially if we got a clogged drain, maybe a bathroom or sink. Yep. We reach for stuff like this, and you say, this is not a good idea.
It's not. It's stuff you can buy at your local home improvement store, but a lot of this stuff you have to be really careful for.
Why?
It is very good, harsh chemicals that will clear out the drain. The only problem is they will actually eat your pipes as well. So most of your pipes are plastic, like this one here.
Right.
So when this sits in there, this is eating up hair, stuff like that.
The stuff we wanted to.
Yes, but the chemicals are strong enough to do that. They're actually strong enough to eat away at your drain lines as well.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So that's not a good thing. So these, you're recommending not to use these, right?
Yes.
But doesn't it, once it's unclogged, doesn't it just flush all out, or does it get stuck?
It will. The problem is sometimes it sits. This is called a trap. And so these are like a gel that will sit, and they're a little bit heavier than water.
Okay.
So a lot of times, unless you have a really good water flow, which most of the time you're not going to have high pressure coming through your drain lines from your sink, it'll actually sit in the bottom of this and can eat through this.
What is this?
So this is another interesting one you can buy at your home improvement store. And this is, you literally take this, you would stick this in your sink, in your tub, and hook a garden hose to it. And what it does is it builds pressure in this. This fills up like a balloon full of water until it gets high enough pressure that hopefully it blows out the clog with water. The problem is...
There's a lot of problems with this one.
The problem is this is what's under your sink. These are the pipes that are running through your home. Very thin, basic plastic pipes. And most of these fittings are like a slip lock. They're not even like really screwed together. So they're compression fittings. So
this is a no.
Yes.
No, don't do it.
We've literally had lines blown apart under sinks, and yes, it is.
Okay. This, however, is something good that you recommend, and you can pick these up where?
So these are at your local home improvement stores as well, and those are really good. Those are natural enzymes that actually eat. They're not harsh chemicals. Those are enzymes that will go through and kind of eat bacteria, clean stuff up. It foams up a little bit. Those are a great maintenance tool. Usually won't be strong enough to clear a good clog, but for maintenance-wise, those are great, and those will help a slower clog.
Okay.
Yep.
So there's the drain clogs, there's the sewer clogs, and then there are tree roots that get into things, and then there's these sagging sewer lines.
Yes.
I just don't even like saying it, sagging sewer lines. How do you know you have them?
So once everything starts to go through, of course, drains out of your house, it goes into your main sewer line. The problem with like all the rain that we've just had, it's been great, of course, for us, for Arizona, but your tree roots love it. Your tree roots, plant roots love it. And what they do is they start growing. And as they start moving, if say your sewer line has any kind of a crack or a leak in it, tree roots, it is amazing how they will find
that little tiny,
any little bit of water, especially in our desert.
So we feel like we might have a problem. You guys can come in, you can really do this the right way, clear out the drains, and check the sewer lines as well with cameras.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, excellent.
We'll send a camera through there, make sure there's no sags or bellies in there that'll cause additional backups.
All right. You know, DIY is okay, but not for everything. Let me just tell you that. All right. Thank you so much, Jay. If you want Penguin Air to help you out, they have a special offer for you. Call now to get a free water quality inspection to test for hard water and contaminants. Call 480-747-6801 or visit the website penguinair.com.